This illustration deals with lock and tagout procedure in accordance with 120.2b of 70E. And if you notice here, the purpose of the change was to clarify that a lock and tagout procedure must comply with other codes and standards that deal with lock and tagout of electrical equipment. This would basically be, lock and tagout rules of OSHA 1910.269, OSHA 1910.147, and they're saying here we shouldn't have different rules for locking and tagging out. They should be the same, type of rules. Now notice here we have this qualified person defined in Article 100 on page 13. The controls of 70E, 120.4E on page 21, kind of what he's dealing with. Electrical equipment 70E, Article 100, page 13 is defined. And notice the disconnect has to be capable of being locked in the open position, and a tag placed on it as 70E 120.3 C as in car requires on page 20. Now, a long time ago, OSHA had a requirement in 1910.147 C2 3I. January the 2nd, 1990 was the date that all equipment had to have a means to attach a lock and tag and lock out the equipment. You might want to remember where this information is. It's OSHA 1910.147 C2 3I, and you can find that date, January the 2nd, 1990. Now notice that this equipment here has a means to attach a lock and tag in accordance with 120.3b on page 21. Now, notice that the tag is usually the Brady tag. It has on it do not operate, etc. The lock is a unique lock used strictly for locking and tagging out equipment, whatever the management type of lock they choose for that purpose. It could be a gold lock, could even be a master lock with a red tagging means on it that would stay permanently on it to identify it. But notice we reviewed in Article 110 the basic requirements for a lock and tag out procedure, but to actually perform it, we were referred over to Article 120 and the Annex G for more information. Now, this illustration just simply has the general requirements for lock and tagging out equipment based upon a permanent means to place a lock and tag in accordance with 120.2b of the NFPA 70E.